Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will revise lesson number 10, the story of food. So, what we will learn in this chapter? We will learn that how food produced and how it reaches to us. As we know, food is our basic requirement. Basic requirements are those requirements which are necessary to live. Without these things, we cannot live or survive. So, we need food to live because food gives us energy, and this energy is used for work, for play, and for any other activity like dance, cycling, and so on. Food helps us to grow. It helps us to stay healthy by protecting us against diseases. Like in this corona time, everyone is forcing on immunity. So, how do we get immunity? By taking healthy food. The main source of food are plants and animals. Yes, we eat food. We eat different types of foods, and these different types of food we get from two resources. One is the plants, and second is the animals. So imagine anything, either it will come from plant or it will come from animal, like wheat, a plant product, milk, an animal product. Food from plants, first is cereals. Cereals play a major role because they are the basic food of our life. Like wheat flour, it is used to make chapati, paratha, bread, cake, etc. Rice, pulao, biryani, and so on. Maize and millet, they are the cereals. They store the excess food in their seeds and we eat these seeds. Their seeds are called grains. Wheat is used for making chapatis, breads, and cakes. Rice is boiled and eaten. It is also used for making idlis and dosas. Next is vegetables. We eat different types of vegetables. We eat green vegetables, which are good for our health. We can eat some vegetables raw, like carrot we can raw or we can cook it. We eat different parts of the plants as vegetables. Like some plants store their food in their roots. So we eat their roots like carrot, radish, turnip. They are the roots of their plants and we eat their roots. So they are edible. Edible means which we can eat. So they are edible roots. We cannot eat any or every plant's root. We can eat specific types of roots. So here turnip, carrot, radish, these are the roots which we can eat. We also eat underground stems. Yes, we can eat some underground roots as well, stems like onion, ginger, potato. These are the stems, but they are underground. Underground means they are under the soil, under the surface. So they are underground stems and we eat them. So they are edible underground stems. We eat sugarcane also. It is also a stem. We eat the leaves of some plants. We cannot eat every plant's leaves. All are not edible. We eat specific plants and specific parts of the plants like cabbage, spinach, mint, methi, coriander. There are so many leaves which we can eat. Do you know cauliflower? It is a flower which we eat as a vegetable. It is not a vegetable, it is a flower of that plant. Tomatoes and brinjals, they are basically fruits of their plants, but we eat them as vegetables. Yes, different types of plants store their food in different parts of plant. So we eat that specific part in which they store food, like carrot, roots, underground stem, potato, cabbage, leaf, tomato, fruit, cauliflower, flower. Fruits. We eat many types of fruits like apple, grapes, mangoes, pineapples, bananas, oranges, and so on. And they are tasty, juicy. Fruits grow from the flowers of the plants. Spices. Mama uses spices in the cooking. Yes, and these spices make our food tasty, yummy, delicious. So we get spices like chili, clove, pepper, cumin, ginger and turmeric. We add spices to our food to make it tasty. Next is the oil, which is very important for cooking also. So the oil which we use in cooking is called edible oil, and we use different types of oils. Oils are obtained from the seeds of their plants like groundnut, mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. These are the oils which are used by people to make their food. Next is MCQs. Which one is an underground stem? Potato, cabbage or banana? Answer will be potato. The oils that are used in cooking are called edible oils. Next part is medicines. We get many medicines from the plants. Yes, and these plants which gives us medicine, they are known as medicinal plants. We used dried roots of mulhati to cure our cold and cough. Mulhati is a dried form of ginger. So we eat it. We use this as the treatment of cough and cold. Leaf juice of tulsi to cure cough and cold. In winter season, mama sometimes gives us tea of tulsi to us. We take leaves and seeds of dhatura. Yes, dhatura is a plant which is used as a medicine for asthma and bronchitis. Respiratory problem, जिनको breathing problem होता है उनके लिए धतूरा यूज़ किया जाता है. We use the leaves of seed oil of neem to cure fever. Neem oil is very important and it plays very important role as it is used in many diseases. We take the fruits of amla to cure constipation. Amla is a citrus fruit. We can eat amla in raw form or in vegetable form or in the amla murabba, which is very famous and with healthy also. We take oil obtained from the leaves of eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a plant which is used to cure थ्रोट डिसऑर्डर्स. थ्रोट कोई प्रॉब्लम है, नोज़ में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं यूकेलिप्टस. इट्स हिंदी नेम इज़ सफ़ेदा. वी यूज़ टर्मरिक विच इज़ अ येलो पाउडर इन द किचन. हल्दी, इट इज़ यूज फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट्स ऑफ वाउंड्स एंड स्प्रेन्स. कभी चोट लग जाती है तो मम्मा हमें हल्दी वाला दूध देते हैं विच इज़ हैविंग एंटीबायोटिक properties, antiseptic properties, which is very good for us. Do you know quinine is a cure for malaria? Yes, it is a medicine which is obtained from the cinchona plant. Next is the food from plants. First, the most important milk product, animal product is milk. We get milk from animals like buffaloes, cows and goats. We should drink a glass of milk every day. You are in growing age, so it is very important for yourself also. So milk is said to be a complete food because it has all the nutrients which are required by our body. Milk is also used in making food products. There are so many products in which milk is used as a basic ingredient like butter, cheese, paneer, ghee, curd, kheer, ice cream and so on. Next is eggs and flesh. Those who are non-vegetarians, they eat eggs and flesh from hens and ducks. Some people eat the flesh of goat also. They are the people who eat animal products like eggs, flesh and chicken. They are known as non-vegetarians. Journey of food. Now how food comes to us. Farmers grow cereals, fruits, vegetables in their fields and then they sell these food items to the wholesalers, and from the wholesalers, shopkeepers buy these food items in the market. We buy food items from the shopkeepers and make food with them. Now here is a flow chart. A farmer grows cereals, fruits and vegetables. Farmer sells these items to the wholesaler and then wholesaler sell these items to the shopkeeper, and we buy these things from the shopkeeper to make our food. नेक्स्ट इज फूड प्रिपरेशन एट होम. ममा सीरियल्स, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स तो घर पे ले आए. अब मामा उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? मदर प्रिपेयर्स ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर फॉर द फैमिली. समटाइम्स पापा ऑल्सो हेल्प्स ममा इन कुकिंग फूड. माई मदर डज मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउस होल्ड वर्क. ममा घर का बहुत सारा काम करते हैं. हाउस होल्ड वर्क मीन्स घर के काम. सो शी कुक्स फूड फॉर द फैमिली, शी वॉशेज क्लोथ्स ऑफ अवर फैमिली, शी क्लीन्स द यूटेंसिल्स after our meals, and there are so many works which mama does, so we should help her. In the evening when my father returns from his office, we all sit together at the dining table to have our dinner. Basic, we have 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. We should try to eat at least one meal in a day with the complete family. Now match the following. Milk is a complete food because it has all the nutrients. Farmers grow cereals. Hen gives us eggs, and goat is used as a meat resource. Next is balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? The diet which has all types of healthy food or all the types of nutrients in right amount is called a balanced diet, like chapati, rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables. All these things have some specific nutrients, like from chapatis and rice we get carbohydrates, pulses gives us proteins, fruits and vegetables gives us minerals and vitamins. So balanced diet is a diet which has all the healthy food in the right amount, and it is not same for everyone. It is different for different people. Like for a newborn baby, milk is enough. जब आप छोटे बेबी थे तो आपके लिए भी मिल्क था, because milk is a complete food. Growing children, which you are now, so you need a lot of bodybuilding food because you are in growing age, so you need more proteins, pulses, eggs, flesh, milk, etc. A laborer working needs more एनर्जी क्योंकि उसको फिजिकली ज़्यादा काम करना है, लाइक क्रिकेटर और एनी अदर प्लेयर, सो दे नीड एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. अ मैन नीड्स मोर फूड देन अ विमेन. सिमिलरली a boy requires more food than a girl. Now it's time for book part. We make chapatis using wheat, rice or grain. Answer will be wheat. We eat the leaves of the dash plant, cabbage. We treat our wounds with turmeric powder or haldi powder. Dash is used for making idlis and dosas, rice. Dash is an underground stem we eat. Potato, onion, ginger, any one you can write. Farmers sell the food items to the wholesalers. Now circle the odd one: wheat, fruit, maize and rice. So we will put a circle on fruit because rest all are cereals. Cabbage, spinach, brinjal, guava. Answer will be guava. Carrot, chilies, cloves, pepper. Answer will be carrot. Rest of all are spices. Write the names of the following pictures. First are chilies. Second, ginger. Third is pineapple. Fourth is groundnuts. Number the sentences in correct sequence. So here are some sentences. The journey of food. So first will be farmers grow cereals, fruits and vegetables in their fields. Then farmers sell these things to the wholesalers, and shopkeepers buy these food items from the wholesalers, and we buy these things from the shopkeeper, nearby shopkeeper. So 4, 2, 3, 1. Now the last part, the part of the cauliflower that we eat is flour. The complete food for a newborn baby is milk. Question answers we will do in notebook. So keep reading. Have a nice day. Staying safe at home. Thank you.